Everyone's Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your home screen on your iPhone. So basically, you just want to find some open space and then hold down on the screen. And then everything is going to wiggle. Go to the top left to edit. And just make sure you select edit. And then we have the option to customize, edit pages, or add widget. Go to add widget. And then you can scroll on through here, and these are the widgets that you can add to your account. So maybe you want contacts on there, health, movie, photos, etc. So just scroll on down. Maybe a YouTube widget, let's try that out, see what we have. And then we can go to the right if we want a larger widget. So let's do that. Let's add this larger YouTube widget to the top. Then go to done. And then I got my home screen, my shorts, subscriptions. That's actually probably useful. I like that. So let's just try this out. Alright, so I'm just on the search bar. Let's go to shorts. Okay, so just hold down the open space and there's a bunch of different widgets that you can add. You got smart lock photos. Not sure what this is smart stack. Got the clock on there. You might want to add one of these search things. If you want to maybe download Grok and add Grok to it, a good AI or something like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.